Welcome back everybody to another episode. In this episode it's Waitangi Day. We're just getting ready to head off to the beautiful Bay of Plenty over here in New Zealand. First up, having a coffee, get us going good for that morning and for the rest of the day's adventure. So first up on the hit list of places to visit was the beautiful town of Whakatane in the Bay of Plenty, New Zealand. Bit of scenery as we about to arrive. Hey everybody, so I'm ran into this legend over here.
Where? Kia ora everybody.
Yep, so yeah, randomly met up with bro Mike from Weka Digital Media. Good to see you and catch up.
Yeah bro, yeah. Bit of a surprise.
Yep.
Rob's taller than I thought. You're the poto fella.
Yeah. But
You're taller than I am. Yeah.
So we'll definitely have a upcoming video sometime for you. We'll have to suss it out, eh bro?
If I knew you were coming down I would have taken you out. Yeah.
Yep.
Taking out somewhere for a fish.
So yeah. Good to meet the bro in person.
Good Rob.
Good up.
Yeah bro. Nice to meet you. So yeah. Go to this guy's channel and give him a subscribe.
Yeah.
Hard-working fisherman that gets
Yep.
his rig caught as well.
Yeah, yeah.
Hey.
Yo, that's us fams.
Yeah.
Stay tuned. Hey, welcome back fams. So we just come back from Whakatane. Randomly bumped into Mike from Weka Digital Media. Cheer to the bro Mike. Eh? Good to meet you in person. So yo, hopefully we'll link up soon with the bro and get a video out to you before summer's over. Anyway, we're just down at Papa Mall's gonna do a bit of gather some pippies before we hopefully head off for a fish down at the TuaTua river mouth, also known as the cut as people would say. So yeah, that's us. We won't waste any time talking. We'll get into this pippy gathering. That. So yeah, we missed the whole low tide, but it's all good. Need to go for a little dip anyway, so it's gonna get a little wet. Oh, it's beautiful. This water is beauty. One of our kids seeing this random dog. So it's like knee high at the moment. Yeah, I just felt a nice patch under my feet. Woo-wee. We got two that time. That one's a bit small, we'll throw that back. So I'm just putting him into my pocket. Here's another. Second, so as it's going out. Ooh, check it out. Bit of a small one there, we'll let that go straight back. I'm just chucking him in the old pocket for now. Daughter right next to me. Man, just came into a good patch under my feet. I don't know if we'll
let me have a turn.
Pick it up. is it's just loaded. So it's taken up for feed. Might hopefully grab a few more. Grab a few more, then man, it's just everywhere. Hope you're all having a good long weekend if you had one over the Waitangi break. Fell on a Thursday, but most people probably took off Friday, if like I have done myself. Good time, just chill out, get away. It's good just to refresh your mind, just getting out of your hometown for a little bit. Day. Kids out there. Got our tuatuas for the day, so thought I'd show these kids how to ride some waves on the boogie board. Haha. Now we're off to the Kaituna river mouth. Place I've always wanted to check out. Go for a quick surfcast before we head on. First time out at the cut, eh? Wondering if I should head that way. Target species today, it's just anything can chuck on the plate. First cast of the day at the cut, Tauranga. Anchovy. That's us. Oh, first bite. Yeah. Yep, yeah. Yep, there's heaps out there. Yep. Yep. Out here at the cut, and it's just not the day, eh? Seen about 2 kahawai in a space of 5 hours been caught from other people, so yeah, that's us. Gonna head back to the old house and probably wake up in the morning and cook up those puppies that we gathered earlier today. So yeah, that's us. See you all then. So at the moment that's eggs getting put in, as well as parsley already in the bowl. About 3 cups of tuatuas. This was a game changer, this feta cheese. If you're keen on this recipe, I'll have the link down in the description below.
loose and so it sort of breaks the eggs. And you add the flour. Okay. That's got a bit, eh? Fold it in. And fold it in like that. That's fine.
Time to heat up oil, butter. So,
Olive oil. So that it doesn't burn. That's the whole idea of
Yeah.
putting the butter and the oil.
What's happening? The
Oh, yeah.
customers are getting a bit restless. Get a new ship.
finish it up. Grab a few of these, test tray. It feels good, that feta cheese, feta cheese.
Just as feta, parsley, red onion,
Parsley, red onion.
sausage with flour, mussels, sauteed some flour, mix it all up, and you're just mixing it with the eggs.
Yeah.
Want another one?
Hey everybody, hope you all enjoyed that episode of little gather and cook day in Bay of Plenty. Oh, awesome stuff. It was pretty cool catching up with Mike from Weka Digital Media. Random as, but cheer bro, if you see this mic too much, hopefully we catch up one day soon. Yeah, hope you all enjoyed that. If you did, please hit that subscribe button, leave that thumbs up, and drop a comment please. Help the algorithm out for my channel. So yeah, that's me for now. Until next time, take care, stay blessed, Tauranga everyone. Be safe out there, eh? Chat.